Hello Huskies, welcome to day 4 to level 4. Today we're going to continue to solve the equation to find the value of x. Yesterday we introduced you to magical steps, and these are the steps that we use to solve the equation. And this one is pretty much like the ones we did yesterday, except today we're going to now start to divide with negative numbers. So you will be seeing that very shortly in problem number 2. So let's continue with our magical steps. Circle the x terms. We're going to come and get our circle. Make sure we can grab it. And circle 3x. Here we go. And also at the same time, don't forget to bring your arrow down. I like to do this so I won't forget. And then I'm going to put 3x, the x there. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight it in blue because I know eventually that's going to be my final answer. Also know just by looking at this that we're going to have 3 equal groups. So now we go to step 2, highlight the constant terms with red and yellow. Negative 6 is in red. So we're going to go next to the A and highlight that in red. And then 6 on the other side of the equation is going to be yellow. So now we have finished 1 and 2. We're going to step 3. Identify the opposite and place in both sides of the equation. So we have negative 6. We want to get 3x by itself. The opposite of negative 6 is going to be positive 6. And again, it's telling us to do that on both sides of the equation. Positive 6. So we've done step 3, but we always have to remember to highlight our constants. So positive 6 will be yellow. And again, so now we can move on to number 4. Step 4 is simplify the equation. So we see that negative 6 and positive 6, that makes 0 pairs. We come over here and we show that 6 0 pairs. Your 3x is already down. Now we're going to go to the other side of the equation. 6 plus 6, that's going to give us 12. As I said before, when we worked with algebra tiles, we already know we're going to have 3 equal groups to find out what 1x is worth. So our step 5 is going to be divided into equal groups. So we're going to put a 3 on both sides. Okay. And we're going to move this 1 over here to get x by itself. Okay. So here we are dividing, as I said before. These are 2 positives. If you come over here, when you divide 2 positives, your answer can be positive. So right now this looks just like the one from yesterday, but I wanted to put these integer rules because they're going to help us with other problems we do today. So I like to say 3 times what number is 12? 3 times 4 is 12, or 12 divided by 3 will be 4. 4 here, and here we go. So there you go, Huskies. This is problem number 1. Again, it looks very much like yesterday's work. The only thing we actually looked at today was the rules for multiplying and dividing integers. And this one, we automatically knew it was going to be positive 4, but sometimes we need this to help us with our signs.